Senator John James will join us, Reince Priebus, Mike Huckabee, and, Linda, guess who else? The one and only Mike Tyson is going to join us and preview his big fight coming up. That's all happening tonight. Set your DVR, 9 Eastern, Hannity on Fox News. We'll see you then, back here tomorrow. Thank you for making this show possible.
In the game of life, every point matters, especially when it comes to your loved ones. Score big for your family this March by securing life insurance with SelectQuote. Their team of experienced, licensed insurance agents can help you find the right policy at the right price in just minutes. I'm 40, and my $500,000 policy was only $18 a month. My wife's also 40, and her $500,000 policy was only $16 a month. Plus, with their same-day coverage, there was no medical exam required, and we were covered by the time we hung up. Whether you need a $100,000 policy or a $10 million policy, SelectQuote can help you score big on affordable coverage. Don't let the clock run out on your chance to protect your family's future.
Call SelectQuote at 1-800-606-9090. That's 1-800-606-9090. Or go to SelectQuote.com to get your free quote today. That's 1-800-606-9090. Details on example rate at SelectQuote.com.
There are 3 letters that can literally change the way you see life. CLR. Hey, it's Armstrong and Getty here, and if you struggle with glasses and contacts, but now you need readers or bifocals, you might be a perfect candidate for custom lens replacement from Laser Eye Center of Silicon Valley. Dr. Craig Bindi on considering CLR over LASIK as we get older.
The older we get, we start experiencing the dysfunction of our natural lens, meaning the need for reading glasses. LASIK won't solve the problems of reading glasses or cataracts, but CLR does. After tens of thousands of vision correction procedures, we have the experience to tell you if it's your right time for CLR.
CLR is a quick, painless procedure to restore both distance vision and near vision.
Plus, you'll never develop a cataract.
CLR may be your perfect, permanent vision solution. Schedule your free consult today at lasereyeclr.com. No glasses, no contacts, no readers, and no cataracts. lasereyeclr.com.
Talk Radio 560 KSFO. Like us on Facebook at 560 KSFO and stay up to date on the latest events. Talk Radio 560 KSFO. Talk Radio 560 KSFO San Francisco. KSAN HD2 San Mateo. A Cumulus media station.
Protests outside the home of the leader of Israel. I'm Lee Silasera, Fox News. The demonstrators battled police outside Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu's personal residence. Fox's Trey Yates is in Tel Aviv.
I spoke with one person in the city who indicated police are on horseback and they're using water cannons to push away these anti-government demonstrators. All of this comes as we are learning more about that strike yesterday in Damascus, Syria. Reports indicate 7 members of Iran's IRGC were killed, including 2 top Iranian generals. Protesters took to the streets overnight of Tehran, burning both American and Israeli flags. They chanted death to America and called on their own government to respond.
This is Israel says airstrikes that killed at least 7 to 8 workers, including an American delivering food to Gaza, were an accident. Rome Central Kitchen said it's immediately pausing operations in the region. White House National Security Communications Advisor John Kirby with the airstrike.
We're still going to make sure that they can defend themselves and that the 7th of October doesn't happen again. That doesn't mean that it's a free pass. That we can move the other way when something like this happens.
And Kirby says since the beginning of the war, the U.S. has urged Israel to be more careful. A second temporary channel has been opened to allow limited marine traffic to bypass the wreckage of a cargo ship that hit Baltimore's Francis Scott Key Bridge last week. Teams continue to survey the site.
Engineers and salvage teams continued with wreckage assessments and site analysis to make sure that we have a clear understanding of the work site.
Maryland Governor Wes Moore, today's rough weather has made it unsafe for divers to resume the search for 4 construction workers killed in that bridge collapse. Wall Street, the Dow lost 396, the Nasdaq down 156, the S&P off 37. America is listening to Fox News.
Fraudulent tax return
returns due identity theft increased by 30% in 2023. If you're in a bind this tax season, LifeLock can help. Their U.S.-based restoration specialists are dedicated to helping solve identity theft issues, and all plans are backed by the $1 Million Protection Package. Which means if you lose money because of identity theft, LifeLock will reimburse you up to the limits of your plan. Help protect your information with LifeLock. Go to LifeLock.com and save up to 25% your first year with my name, Clay, as your promo code.
A toast to our new college grad who fills us with so much joy, almost as much as when we're in our RV. Oh, the world is your oyster, kiddo, and ours too. Now that we're covered with Progressive, Dad and I can hop in our RV anytime we want. Might even splurge on a retractable awning. Oh, look out! Sorry, what was I talking about?
Protect your loved one with an RV policy from Progressive. Take as little as 4 minutes to see what you could save at Progressive.com. Progressive Casualty Insurance Company and affiliates. KSFO traffic from the Chilton Auto Body Desk.
We have a two-car wreck in Walnut Creek, northbound 680 before Geary Road. On the shoulder, you are backed up from Highway 24. Petaluma, look out for a wooden planter in the roadway. South 101 before Petaluma Boulevard South. And then Alamo, we have a wreck at North 680 at Stone Valley Road off to the side. That's your traffic. I'm Brian Bridger.
This report is sponsored by Staples Store. Staples Print Big Sale means the more you print, the more you save. Get $20 off your print purchase of 100 or more, 50 off your print purchase of 200 or more, and 100 off your print purchase of 300 or more. Offer ends 4/6. See staples.com/print for details. Print more, save more at Staples.
Hey folks, Larry over here. You've probably been hearing me endorse Wire Refi for some time now. And yes, many of my colleagues do as well. What makes Wire Refi so different from other investments? Let's quickly break it down. Wire Refi offers a secured collateralized portfolio with a strong fixed rate of return, up to 10.25%. There's no attack on your principal if you ever need your money back, and you're in control. You can let your investments compound daily or take income, whatever you choose. There are absolutely no fees, and an investment in Wire Refi is an investment in America's future. Call 855-397-3208 or log on to investwirerefi.com/SF. Wire Refi works with certified financial planner Michael Ginsberg, who can meet with you personally to see if Wire Refi is right for you. 855-397-3208 or log on to investwirerefi.com/SF. That's investwirerefi.com/SF. Elder Mario Attention.
Here, the inside story on California's pressing issues. It's the California Insider from the Epoch Times. Senior Makarami tackles the issues driving politics, the economy, and the culture of California. Sundays at 8 on 560 KSFO.
Be the difference with American Vision Windows, revolutionizing the home improvement industry one customer at a time, while improving the lives of their employees for the better. For your free design consultation, visit AmericanVisionWindows.com.
Imagine the hospital experience. There's a constant parade of serious doctors, talented, and a serious diagnosis. Scary surgeries are followed by painful recoveries. You're in the hospital for days, weeks, months. Now imagine you're a child. This is why Starlight exists. Starlight programs help kids in the hospital cope, build resilience, bolster confidence, and change their outlook. Because happiness matters. Visit starlight.org to learn more.
The impact of a meal goes well beyond feeding our bodies. Because when people are fed, futures are nourished. And with your help, together we can end hunger. Join the movement at feedingamerica.org/actnow. Brought to you by Feeding America and the Ad Council.
Now broadcasting from the underground command post. In the bowels of a hidden bunker somewhere under the brick and steel of a nondescript building, we've once again made contact with our leader.
381-3811. Folks, I want you to bear with me. I want to demonstrate to you why I've been talking for months, why I'm explaining that this administration is an anti-American administration, from sea to shining sea, with open borders, with its war on people of faith, with its war on parents. It is utterly rogue and out of control, and it is filled with filthy, lying, left-wing scum. And others will do anything they can on behalf of and for this administration. This hatred for Israel is a reflection of their hatred for America. Israel shares our values, our faith, in the middle of a hell filled with terrorists who want to slaughter them and slaughter us. Now, there was an accidental bombing that took place in Gaza. And apparently, the Israeli accidentally hit a location where there are quote-unquote workers, I guess humanitarian workers, people who are trying to feed the Gaza. And immediately, the Israelis apologized, said it was an error. Unfortunately, war has these problems and so forth. So, here you have an ally, supposedly the United States, who has seized on this. Seized on it. And the Secretary of State, John Kirby, today at his briefing, to viciously attack the state of Israel. And I want to play some of this for you, but before I do, I want to read something to you to remind you about it. Less than 2 years ago, CBS News, the U.S. drone strike killed an aid worker in Afghanistan. Many of his family and colleagues still stranded there. It killed 10 civilians. You remember that, Mr. Badu? They sent a drone to get a terrorist, and instead, they killed 10 civilians. 7 of them were children in Afghanistan. That was the last act of our military under Biden. The U.S. airstrike in the final days of the U.S. withdrawal from Afghanistan, intended for an ISIS-K terrorist, instead killed the aid worker, Zamar Ahmadi, and members of his family. After initially calling it a righteous strike and claiming no civilians were killed, the Pentagon admitted its mistake and promised to resettle members of Ahmadi's family and employees of the aid organization he worked for. This was an aid organization trying to help the people who were starving, who were hungry, who had been abused by the Taliban. They order a drone strike that kills the person in charge of the aid organization and his family, 7 of whom were children. 7 of whom were children. So we know from our own experience, certainly Blinken does, and the Biden administration, that mistakes happen in war. It's a war zone. But now I want you to listen to John Kirby today. And what I find contemptible, there's not a single news organization in America, not one, that has pointed this out today. Not one. Here's John Kirby at the White House today. Cut 3, go.
We were outraged to learn of an IDF strike that killed a number of civilian humanitarian workers yesterday from the World Central Kitchen, which has been relentless in working to get food to those who are hungry in Gaza and, quite frankly, around the world. We send our deepest condolences to their families and loved ones. We've seen the comments from Prime Minister Netanyahu and from the Israeli Defense Forces about their commitment to conduct an investigation. As we understand it, a preliminary investigation has been completed today and presented to the Army Chief of Staff, and we'll obviously look to see what they discover in this preliminary one. But we expect a broader investigation to be conducted and to be done so in a swift and comprehensive manner. We hope that those findings will be made public and that there is appropriate accountability held.
Hamas is slaughtering civilians as I speak, Palestinian civilians,
all through the Middle East. Haiti's on fire. Millions and millions of people being slaughtered, raped, butchered. The White House spokesman is focused on this. It's an opportunity to exploit, to undermine, to attack the state of Israel. Obviously, this was a mistake. But Blinken even goes further. Blinken, who John McCain said is a very dangerous man. Blinken attacks Israel more for an accident than he does Iran for its surrogates killing 3 American soldiers. I want you to listen to this from our Secretary of State. Cut one, go.
But it, simply put, insufficient. It is not enough to meet the needs of the children, the women, the men in Gaza who remain caught in a horrific crossfire of Hamas's making. So, in our conversations with the Israeli government, including just last week when the defense minister was in Washington, and just yesterday when we were on a video conference with Israeli counterparts, we impressed again upon them the imperative of now surging and sustaining assistance. And not only getting it into Gaza, but within Gaza, getting it to everyone who needs it, including in the north, where, as you know, the conditions are the most challenged.
So he wants to turn the Israeli army into the Red Cross. While Hamas is still there with thousands of terrorists, they're getting weapons from Iran.